More than 2 months after the Muskogee Nation Supreme Court said freedmen are eligible for citizenship, their attorney is asking the court to step in and uphold its order. I read through those court documents today and heard from both sides. In an Okmulgee church, nearly a dozen people gathered for the Muskogee Creek Freedmen Coalition meeting.
Being a Creek citizen is everything because it's my birthright.
Ron Graham is chairman of the coalition. He's applied for citizenship, along with many of the people in this room. But nearly 12 weeks since the Supreme Court ruling saying freedmen were eligible and dozens of applications, none of them say they've gotten an ID card.
Very frustrating. The Supreme Court had a ruling. The treaty is the supreme law of the land.
Wednesday afternoon, they discussed new court documents as attorneys asked for the Supreme Court to enforce its ruling. The filing says in part, quote, the Citizenship Board's continued failure to issue citizenship identification cards to Rhonda Grayson and Jeff Kennedy is a willful and blatant violation of the court order. It comes after Muskogee Principal Chief David Hill issued an executive order temporarily halting the board's card issuance to freedmen until their, quote, law and policies have been reviewed and amended. Ron says he wants the nation to do the right thing.
He just simply needs to comply with two things, the treaty and ultimately the Supreme Court of the Creek Nation.
In a statement Wednesday, the Muskogee Nation said in part, quote, we're developing code amendments to ensure that all individuals who may qualify under the Treaty of 1866 are treated equitably and with respect. They went on to say, I understand that some individuals may feel frustrated by the pace of this work. However, impatience cannot replace the careful deliberation and integrity required to carry out our nation's sovereign responsibilities. For Ron and the freedmen who are patiently waiting, they just want to reconcile like they've seen in the Cherokee Nation.
He's really brought that tribe together, and they're doing a lot of things that they're better that way.
I have the Muskogee Nation's full statement and the latest filing in this story on our website at kjrh.com.